Hello, this is question 14 on your June 2022 paper 1 from edexcel. You have this function here, and you have to show that tan x is 3 root 3. So we have one angle minus another one angle minus a different one. So we can use the addition formula for both of them, substitute, get things in terms of sine x and cos x, and then divide to have tan. So let's going to do that. So 2 on the left hand side, so I have 2, and instead of sine x, remember the addition formula for sine is sine cos cos sine. So I have sine cos minus cos sine is in the formula booklet. And then cos, the formula for cos is cos plus sine. Again, it's in the formula booklet, so sine 30. And now what I'm going to do is to substitute the values that I know, because I know these values here. So I have cos 60 is 1/2. So I have 2 at the front, 2 times 1/2 is 1, so I have sine x. And then 2 times sine 60 is root 3 divided by 2. The divided by 2 with the 2 are gone. So I have minus root 3 cos x. And in the right hand side, I have cos 30 is root 3 divided by 2. And sine 30 is 1/2. So 1/2 sine x. We are going to put all the sines in one side and all the cos in the other. So I have 1 minus 1/2 is 1/2. So 1/2 sine x here. And in the other side, I have root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3 is 3 root 3 divided by 2 cos x. We cancel the 2's and we can divide by cos x. Left hand side, I have tan x, and in the right hand side, this is gone. So I have 3 root 3. So that's the first part. Then for B, I have hence, so even if they say otherwise, I'm going to use that. For theta between 0 and 180, I have to solve this equation, and give the answers to one decimal place. So if we use what we know is this equation and this equation are the same, just with when 2 theta is equal to x minus 60. Because when we do x minus 30, we get 2 theta plus 30. And so we know the solutions to this equation are this one. So the solution to this equation is going to be the same, just with x, a different thing. So we know, let me show you. We know that x minus 60 is now 2 theta. So x minus 60 is now 2 theta, which means that x is 2 theta plus 60. So the solutions to this equation are these ones. The solution to this equation are going to be tan of x, which is 2 theta plus 60, equal to 3 root 3. So I just need to, with the calculator, be careful because we have an interval. So when my angle is not just theta, I have to change the interval. So my new interval is going to be this one multiplied by 2 and minus 60. So it's going to be 0 minus plus 60 is going to be 60, smaller or equal than 2 theta plus 60. Smaller than 180 times 2 is 360, plus 60, 420. So this is my new interval. If I do tan minus 1 or 3 root 3, I have 2 theta plus 60 is 79.1066. That's the first value that the calculator gives me. And this value is in my interval, so it's okay. I'm going to find the next value. Remember, the tan repeats every 180 degrees, so I'm going to add 180 degrees to this value, and then I have 259.1066 Yeah, and the next one, so if I add another 180, or if I go a whole term from this one, is out of the interval, so it's greater than 420. So these are my two solutions for 2 theta plus 60. So the last thing I do is to find theta. And to find theta, I'm going to subtract 60 to these values and divide by 2. And then the first one is 9.5533 something else, and 99.553 something. I have to round to something, they say, no? To 1 decimal place. So this means that theta is 9.6 to 1 decimal place and 99.6 to 1 decimal place. And that's all with this question.